And please don't move around. Be in one place. So everyone just bring your one hand forward. We're gonna give some treats. You can also feed them.